Hey guys, it's Cassandra Marie. Welcome back to Glamour Gains, a channel helping you achieve all things glamour and all things gains. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is Herbalife. So I will be going over everything that I've used in the past. I will be showing you photos of before and after. Does it really work? Is it crap? What do you do while you're on it? All of those things kind of explained. So if you want to see how I lost weight on Herbalife, then please keep watching. Alright, so let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to go over the products that I use. First of all, every time that I have ever used Herbalife, which this is my third time around using Herbalife, I always use the Formula 1 Healthy Meal Replacement in cookies and cream. It looks like this. Okay. So what is it? It is a delicious healthy meal that provides an ideal balance of protein and nutrition to help satisfy your hunger and give you lasting energy. It provides 9 grams of soy protein. So 1 serving. So I got it in vanilla. So this protein drink mix is a great tasting snack and an ideal way to boost your protein intake throughout the day. It provides 15 grams of protein plus essential nutrients to help satisfy hunger and give you lasting energy. Each serving is packed with 24 vitamins and minerals and is an excellent source of antioxidants. It mixes easily with water, making it ideal for a nutritious snack or protein boost on the go. So you get 9 grams of protein in here and you get 15 in here. So together, these two, you get about 24 grams of protein. Also take this, it's cellulose, it's formulated with corn silk and herb, traditionally used to support health elimination of water. Total control. It stimulates your metabolism. It contains caffeine, which quickly stimulates metabolism, provides an energetic sensation, and increases alertness. And then the last one is aminogens. It's enzymes to support protein digest. Prolesa Duo to help decrease body fat. So this is like specifically to help you lose body fat. Does it work? Doesn't it work? Honestly, you can see by my before and after pictures. Yes, I worked out. Yes, I ate healthy, but this definitely was like a jump start to shocking my system to helping me lose weight and take almost a gallon of water daily. I also went to the gym at least 4 to 5 days out of the week. I maybe had like 2 to 3 rest days. I prepped all of my meals. So with the shake, if you're taking 2 shakes a day, you usually only eat 1. I only ate once. Typically, I would meal prep my foods and it would be all whole foods. So I would eat like chicken, broccoli, brown rice. I would eat steak, potatoes, asparagus. I would eat egg whites for breakfast. So it was very much the same foods over and over again. And I just did my cardio. I weightlifted. I just did what the hell I was supposed to do. And almost each time I lost weight, it was within a 3-month period. That's basically what I did each time. The first time I lost weight, I was 165. That's the heaviest that I ever was not being pregnant. And then I got down to 135 and that was in 3 months. The second time around was my first pregnancy. I was up to 180, I believe. I believe I was 180 with him. Maybe I was 170. I think I was 170 with JoJo. And I got down to about 140 and my body fat percentage was actually lower than when I was 135. I think I was at like 23% body fat. It was either 25 or 23, but it was like the lowest body fat that I had been in, and I actually was more cut that time than the first time around, I felt, because I had less body fat. But my weight on the scale was more because I had more muscle. Third time around, I'm still losing. I'm still in the process of losing, so I'm not at my goal weight yet, but I soon will be. You work the plan works. If you fail the plan, you plan to fail. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys a little bit about my supplements. I'll have more stuff on diet and nutrition and a little from the pictures of before and afters. The photos don't freaking lie. They're not photoshopped, they're not edited, nothing. Like, it's legit. Like, I literally went through 2 pregnancies, I literally went through 3 weight losses, and I'm still on my journey in the third one, hopefully the last. Thank you so much for watching. I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and remember to fly first. Love yourself. Bye.